girls, this is HappyMilaTV, and today we have, it's a rainy day outside but sunny day inside with Mila. We are having Peppa today, wow! It's everyone's favorite toy, Peppa Pig. Wow, this is a set which is called Peppa's house construction set. So it's a house of Peppa and her family. Yeah, it has 3 stories. It's a house. Yes, it's it includes 4 figures: Peppa, George, Mama Pig, and Daddy Pig. So we'll open it and see and build it. Wow! Peppa, yes, Peppa. Wow. Let's take it all out. It has 107 pieces. So get ready. Okay, Mila, now it's time to build it. So everyone prepare, it's going to take us some time. Okay, we have instructions here, yeah. Let's start. Picture number 1. Okay, we have Peppa, George, Mommy Pig, and Daddy Pig. Wow! Yes. Mila, I'm getting all the Peppa Pig's family, everybody out. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we are building this house starting from the base. Here our figure of Daddy can hold an umbrella like this. Wow, it's a frame of the window. Let's put it on, Mila. You're amazing girl. Wonderful. Oh, yes, he's holding an umbrella. All right. And well, while I continue Mila is playing with umbrella. You see, Mila, first floor is almost ready. Okay, now second floor. Wow! Look what we have. Wow, amazing! It's an amazing, beautiful house for Peppa and her family. Mama Pig, Daddy Pig, everyone, a lot of space. So, I'm doing the roof now. And and we continue. Our roof is about to get all done. Look everyone! Wow! Amazing! And the red on the top, so it looks cool. Really, really cool. Wow! So, we have this chair. Wow! Umbrella, you can put it anywhere you want. Here on the roof. Table. And you can put it here. Table. Or we can put it here. Table, chair. And we have another one. Okay, here, well, we can put a umbrella. Wow. Kettle. Have some tea. And sit on the balcony, enjoy nice weather, good weather. And a bed. And some flowers here. And just another, it's like a nightstand here. And we have a our pen here, and this is Georgie. Georgie is smelling flowers. Ah, so nice flowers. Amazing flowers, nice. Let's stick some stickers. Okay, so we have a lot of stickers here. So let's take and stick some flowers.
Yeah. Whoa!
We have these are tomatoes. Mila, you can.
Mom.
Yes, tomatoes. You can stick it anywhere outside here. Yes, they're growing. Me? Okay. They're growing outside, so here are our tomatoes. And all right, we have all of Peppa's Pig family members. So we have Papa, Daddy Pig. This is Peppa. No, this is Mom. This is Mommy Pig. This is Daddy Pig. This is Georgie. And Mila is playing with Peppa. And Georgie is going to sleep. Okay, let's. Oh, we can have some. Our kids are sleeping. Let's go and have some tea. Okay, let's go. Yes, some tea outside. It's so good. It's so sunny. Outside we drink some tea with honey. Oh yes. Here, Peppa's mother and Daddy. Well, Daddy and Mommy are having tea. Some tea, some nice green Chinese tea outside. I'm Peppa Pig. I'm Peppa Pig. Okay. It's very late now, and Peppa and George are going to bed. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Well, this is Peppa's construction set. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.